काँग्रेस जॉईन जाता म्हणून तुम्ही ते कितें कितपत खऱ्या
कसली काँग्रेस म्हजी पार्टी आहा मरे कसलें स्पेक्युलेशन गरमी जाल्यार लोकांक तर कोण तरी टायमपास करता कोणें स्पेक्युलेशन केलां
तशें काय ना तर जॉईन
कोणें स्पेक्युलेशन केलां तुजे भशेन
तो पाद्री म्हणून आतां हें करता
पळय फादरांक हांव मानता फादर्स गीव स्पिरिच्युअल एडवायस टू द फेथफूल नाव द concerned priest decided that it was fit during the Holy Week to bring about something that according to me does not even require an answer. It was not an urgent and important thing, especially during the Holy Week, but he decided that it was important and he has given his opinion. But it is an advice that he has given to the Congress party. I am not in the Congress party. It is the Congress party that has to react to it. Why me?
Is it a UK we have seen a lot of drugs people can